Hello everyone. I'm gonna tell y'all something. I have 3 dogs, so put them on the screen up here. But I have 3 dogs. They are named, the small one, that's Remy. The blackish brownish fur, that's Cricket, and then the whitish and the white fur with the black spots, it's Lottie, and Cricket's the oldest. Remy's the youngest, and then Lottie is in the middle. So rate how cute they are in the comments, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.